Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 8th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, constantly maintain the happiness that you have completed the cycle of 84 births and that you are now to go home. Only a few more days of the suffering of karma now remain. Question. Which aspect should you children, who are to become conquerors of sinful actions, pay a great deal of attention to, in order to remain safe from performing sinful actions? Answer. Pay attention that you never become body conscious. Body consciousness is the root of all sinful actions. Therefore, repeatedly become soul conscious and remember the Father. You definitely receive the fruit of good and bad actions. At the end, your conscience would bite you. Therefore, in order to lighten the burden of your sins of this birth, tell the Father everything very honestly. Essence for Dharana. First is, when you have time, sit in solitude and churn the good points of this knowledge. Then write about them. Think of ways of giving everyone the message and how to benefit everyone. Second is, in order to remain safe from performing sinful actions, be soul conscious and remember the Father. You must no longer perform sinful actions. Tell Bap Dada honestly about the sins you have committed in this birth. Blessing for today. May you be constantly powerful and make the elevated task practical while knowing that it is a predestined destiny. Details are, although that elevated new world is predestined, the children who have received the blessing of being powerful become instruments to carry out that task on the basis of the philosophy of karma and its fruit, the effort and its reward, and of knowing they are instruments and of having humility. People of the world are unable to see any hope, whereas you say that this task has been carried out many times and that it is even being accomplished now. This is because, in front of the practical proof of self-transformation, there is no need for any other type of proof. Together with that, God's task is always successful. Slogan is, the elevated aim of saying little and doing more will make you great. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. To attain success in the service you do, and for your ascending stage have unbroken love for the one Father. Let nothing else except the one Father be visible. When you have Baba in your thoughts, Baba in your words and Father's company in your actions, when you have such a stage of being merged in love, and speak even one word, that word of love will also bind other souls in love. Even just the one word, Baba, spoken by a soul merged in love will work like a magic mantra.